Hey YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I am doing a special eyebrow video. You all know how much I love my eyebrows, but why is it so special, you all ask? Because it's going to be featuring
Naomi here.
Yes, my 7-year-old daughter. She was the one who gave me the idea. So make sure you all, if you want to see this video, give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And let's go ahead and get into this video. So, as you can see, this eyebrow was done and this one is not. You can't even really tell naturally. We got them nice, thick, beautiful eyebrows. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is this eyebrow off camera. Then we're going to come back and see the finished result. So, this is the final look. And you really can't even tell that her eyebrows are even done. Like I said, we team thick eyebrows. And they are beautiful. Beautiful eyebrows for a beautiful girl. Thanks to my co-star. So, thank you all for watching this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you all next time. Bye.